Swift Backup is great for Android backups, but it can be too technical for some users. It may also have compatibility issues or limited backup options. In this video, we'll explore the best alternatives focusing on ease of use, flexibility, and device support. Top 1. Best Swift Backup Alternative. MobiKin Assistant for Android. Looking for the best Swift Backup alternative? Try MobiKin Assistant for Android with its Mac version. It offers efficient, high-quality backups without consuming memory or data. Enjoy long-term use with one registration. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your Android device to a computer via USB cable. If prompted, activate USB debugging on your phone. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to allow the program to recognize your Android device. Upon completion, you will reach the main interface. Step 2. Choose Super Toolkit from the upper menu bar on the main interface. This will direct you to the subsequent screen, where you will see the Backup and Restore buttons. Step 3. Click on Backup. Simply select the types of data you wish to back up. Specify a location for saving the backed up files, and click Backup to ultimately store your Android files on the computer. With this software, you can selectively back up selected data from your device to your computer. Just go to My Device to return to the main screen, choose the desired file types, preview the files, and check the boxes next to them. Then, click Export to easily back up the files to your PC or Mac. Top 2. Titanium Backup. Titanium Backup is a powerful tool for rooted Android devices, offering full backups of apps, data, and system settings. It supports scheduled backups, app freezing, and uninstalling system apps, ideal for advanced users. Top 3. Neo Backup. Neo Backup is a great Swift backup alternative for rooted users looking for a free, actively maintained, and open-source tool. While it doesn't support non-rooted devices like Swift Backup does, it's an excellent choice for power users who want full local control without a paywall. Top 4. Seedvault. Seedvault is an open-source backup solution integrated into many custom Android ROMs, designed with privacy and simplicity in mind. It allows users to back up apps and data without relying on Google services. Top 5. DataBackup. DataBackup is a simple, open-source Android app designed for users who want basic backup functionality without root access. It allows you to back up and restore APK files, SMS, call logs, and contacts directly to local storage. Top 6. SyncDroid. SyncDroid is an easy-to-use Android backup and restore tool that works with the companion Windows or Mac application. It lets users back up contacts, messages, call logs, music, videos, photos, and apps, making it a convenient option for non-rooted devices. Top 7. MyBackup. MyBackup is a long-standing Android backup app that supports both rooted and non-rooted devices. It allows users to back up apps, media, contacts, SMS, call logs, system settings, and more either locally or to the cloud.